Welcome to Auto Home Hub, the place where luxury meets horsepower, innovation meets comfort, and dreams are built on wheels. If you love high-end vehicles, futuristic designs, and the most exclusive machines on the planet, you're in the right place. Subscribe, sit back, and let's roll into a world that very few people will ever experience. Imagine waking up in a master bedroom wrapped in Italian leather, crystal lighting above your head, marble floors under your feet, and outside your window, not a five-star hotel view, but the open road. Imagine pressing a button and your living room expands, the roof lifts into a private sky lounge, and your motorhome turns into a rolling mansion worth millions. This is not science fiction. This is 2025. And today, we're diving into the world's most luxurious motorhome ever created, a vehicle so exclusive that it redefines what luxury on wheels truly means. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this motorhome costs more than most supercars, private jets, and even luxury homes. In 2025, the title of the world's most luxurious motorhome belongs to the marquee Mobile LM Ment Palazzo Superiore. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of ultimate wealth, design, and engineering. Built by Austrian luxury designer Marquis Mobile, the Palazzo Superiore is widely recognized as the most expensive and extravagant motorhome in the world. From the moment you see it, the design feels like it came straight out of the future. The exterior looks more like a high-end concept car than an RV. Sharp aerodynamic lines, a massive panoramic windshield inspired by luxury buses and yachts, and a commanding presence that makes everything else on the road look ordinary. This motorhome stretches over 40 feet in length, yet it moves with surprising elegance thanks to its advanced engineering. Under the hood, the Palazzo Superiore is powered by a high-performance engine producing around 600 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of approximately 150 km per hour, which is incredible for a vehicle of this size and weight. Despite its luxury focus, performance has not been ignored. The driving cabin feels like a private jet cockpit, with premium leather seats, a digital control system, and advanced driver assistance technologies to ensure comfort and safety on long journeys. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior of the LM Ment Palazzo Superiore is nothing short of breathtaking. This motorhome is custom-built, meaning no two units are exactly the same. Owners can choose everything from the color of the leather to the type of wood, stone, and metal used throughout the interior. Every surface feels expensive because it is. The living area is designed like a luxury penthouse. Plush sofas upholstered in the finest materials, ambient LED lighting that changes mood with a touch, and a layout that maximizes space and elegance. One of the most jaw-dropping features is the expandable living room. At the press of a button, the side walls extend outward, creating a massive open space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The dining area is equally impressive, with a handcrafted table, premium seating, and a fully integrated entertainment system. Large flat-screen displays, surround sound audio, and smart controls allow you to manage everything from lighting to temperature with ease. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because this is not your average RV kitchen. The Palazzo Superiore features a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances. We're talking about a full-size refrigerator, freezer, oven, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and even a built-in wine cooler. Marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and soft close drawers make cooking on the road feel like cooking in a luxury villa. Moving deeper inside, you'll find the bathroom, which looks like it belongs in a five-star hotel. Premium marble finishes, a spacious rain shower, luxury fixtures, and underfloor heating create a spa-like experience. There's also a separate toilet area for added comfort and privacy. The master bedroom is where the Palazzo Superiore truly proves its status. A king-size bed with premium mattress, soft ambient lighting, large wardrobes, and a private entertainment system make this space feel incredibly personal and relaxing. Large windows allow natural light during the day, while blackout curtains ensure complete privacy at night. One of the most iconic features of this motorhome is the Sky Lounge. With the push of a button, the roof lifts up to reveal an exclusive rooftop terrace. This area can be used for relaxing, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying breathtaking views wherever you're parked. Imagine sipping coffee at sunrise or enjoying a private dinner under the stars, all from the top of your motorhome. Technology plays a massive role in the Palazzo Superiore. In 2025, this motorhome comes equipped with a fully integrated smart home system. Lighting, climate control, entertainment, security, and even window shades can be controlled via touchscreen panels or a smartphone app. Solar panels and advanced energy management systems ensure efficiency without compromising luxury. Security is also top tier. The motorhome includes surveillance cameras, alarm systems, secure locking mechanisms, and privacy glass. This ensures peace of mind whether you're traveling or parked in an exclusive location. Now let's talk about the question everyone is waiting for. The price. In 2025, the marquee mobile LM Ment Palazzo Superior starts at approximately $3 million. And that's just the base price. With full customization, premium materials, advanced technology upgrades, and bespoke interior designs, the price can easily climb beyond $3.5 million or more. To put that into perspective, this motorhome costs more than most luxury supercars, more than many beachfront mansions, and in some cases, more than private jets. But for ultra-high net worth individuals, celebrities, royalty, and billionaires, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. Owning the world's most luxurious motorhome means complete freedom without sacrificing comfort. You can travel anywhere while carrying your luxury home with you. No hotels, no compromises, no limitations. In 2025, luxury is no longer about staying in one place. It's about moving freely, experiencing the world on your own terms, and doing it in absolute comfort. The LM Ment Palazzo Superior represents the peak of that philosophy. So the next time you see an RV on the highway, remember this. Somewhere out there, a rolling palace worth millions is gliding down the road, carrying everything its owner could ever need. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most luxurious motorhome, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Auto Home Hub, and turn on notifications for more incredible content about luxury vehicles, motorhomes, and futuristic rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.